Look closely. This is the world's smallest monkeya, the Pygmy marmoset. Believe it or not, it fits right in the palm of your hand. In the vast Amazon, it's the ultimate forest elf. Its body is only 15 centimeters long, but its legs are like springs. With razor-sharp claws, it can leap 3 meters in an instant. For a human, that's like jumping over a 10-story building. Insects are its favorite snack until it runs into this venomous snake. Psych! It's actually just a caterpillar. By curving its body, this bug mimics a monkey's worst nightmare. The marmoset was so spooked, it noped out in a flash. When not hunting, it gnaws on bark for tree resin. Family is everything here. Everyone helps raise the twins. But life is tough. Giants like howler monkeys rule the treetops, and predators wait below. Caught in the middle, this tiny elf struggles every day to survive.